Well, we had this bell listed for about a week, and on the 7-day auction thing, and there was a lot of people watching in the watch list, but surprisingly no one bought it. And we knew that, hey, you know, it did have a bent handle, so it didn't sit too good. And so a friend of mine's got an engineering company, and he said, hey, just bring it on over and we'll sort that out in 5 minutes. And lo and behold, it's beautiful again. It's perfect. So there you are. She's all nice and square. There you are. And who knows, maybe for decades it was sitting like that. And, you know, sorted out in 5 minutes. So here we go. It reverberates beautifully. Oh, I'm going to strike it on with using the chamfer right there. Beautiful. Still going. Beautiful reverberation. That's only with a really light strike too. There you are. So now, still going. There you are. Okay. Right then, I think I'll keep the original video on there and just upgrade and put this video on there. And that's that. So, get back into the fight. Voila. And, oh, while you're at it, I put up a few other different types of bells recently. Some smaller ones, personal bells, this really cool Buddhist staff, lots of bells all around it, and it was really nice. Righty ho then, that will be that.